Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
With DJ Tommy G.
With DJ Tommy G.
89.5 radio, the way it should be.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Yes, you heard it right. Radio the way it should be. All right, check the time. It's now 11:47. 11:47 on the dot. You heard the requested song, Dirty Little Secrets from the All-American Rejects. We got back-to-back requests for you. Yep, requested by the text hotline 0910-6909-501. Shout out muna kay Kuya AJ Senador Transe. Happy listening to you, dude. Have a safe drive, ha? Nakikinig habang nagda-drive. Okay? Lagi mong tatandaan, eyes on the road and not on the legs. Hi. Okay? And right about now, before I give you the some of the latest pieces of news from in and around Subic Bay Freeport, SM Supermalls is inviting you to the end of season sale. June 19 to July 2. Nagsimula kahapon, ano? June 19 to July 2 on all SM Supermalls. Up to 70% off on great finds. So do check it out. The end of season sale at SM Supermalls. Okay? And do you guys know, extended pa rin ang Flash. Well, actually, supposed to be last day ng The Flash. Pero magiging extended siya. Papalitan na dapat bukas di ba? So hindi papalitan. Extended ang The Flash at SM Cinemas. And also ang Transformers, Rise of the Beast. Actually, extended na to itong week na to. So, another extension. Wow! 2 straight weeks na magiging extended. Dami kasing nanonood, dami bumibili ng tickets. Transformers, Rise of the Beast, extended for another week. We got one more coming whole week to enjoy Transformers, tsaka yung The Flash at SM Cinemas, Olongapo and Downtown. Showing po yung mga yan, okay? And every Monday at SM City, Olongapo, Downtown. Sa Downtown lang, ha? Yan. Let me correct myself. Sabi ko kasi pareho pero sa Downtown lang talaga. So I'm sorry for the error. Our dear senior citizens. Tuwing Monday, libre ang sine, libre ang palabas, libre ang movie sa SM City, Olongapo, Downtown for all senior citizens. Of course, you have to present your senior citizen ID. Ayan. Okay. Importante yan sa mga senior citizen natin na laging nag-a-avail ng mga privileges para sa kanila, 'di ba? Huwag niyong kakalimutan ng ID. Yan yung dahilan kung ba't hindi pinapasok yung yung elepante sa eskwela. Oo, hindi pinapasok kasi walang ID. Yan talaga yung reason kung ba't di siya pinapasok. Ayan. Now you know. Okay. So let's move on now with the next pieces of news and info from in and around Subic Bay Freeport, of course. Before I read the next piece of news, isa munang pagbati ulit sa mga taga San Pedro Sasmuan, Pampanga. Ayan. Bakit natin sila binabati? Ginigreet natin sila. Ginigreet natin sila dahil sila ay magpe-fiesta na. Malapit na yung fiesta sa kanila. June 28, 29. Ayan. So sa lahat ng mga kababayan natin dyan, my father is originally from Sasmuan. Yan yung kanyang hometown actually. My late father. Oh, yan di Agureta. Voltes 5. He's from there. Ayan. My dad. Okay? And you guys know, his father, my lolo, was the former Kapitan del Barrio of San Pedro Sasmuan din. Ayan. Okay? So, we're true blue Sasmuan natives. But me, I grew up in the beautiful city of Olongapo. Ayan. So, happy fiesta po sa mga taga San Pedro Sasmuan, June 28 to 29. Ang pagbati po sa inyo ay nanggagaling sa inyong dear Barangay Captain Romeo Alberto, Barangay Council, Barangay Pastoral po. Ayan, pagbati. Okay? Pagbati din from Ate Wilma Manyalak Alberto. Ayan, the entire Alberto family. Okay? We hope you guys are doing fine upon receiving these greetings of mine. Okay. Again, advance happy fiesta coming June 28, 29. Tamang-tama, June 28 was declared by Malacanang as holiday, official holiday, ang June 28 in celebration of Eid al-Adha, am I right? Or Eid al-Fitir. All right? In recognition of the festivities ng ating mga kapatid na Muslim. Ayan, okay? So June 28, holiday yan, tamang-tama. Yung kanilang fiesta sa San Pedro Sasmuan, 28 and the 29th. Sabi ni Ate Wilma. Ayan, thank you for the info. Okie dokie. And moving on, some of the latest news and update. There will be a couple of traffic advisory, traffic rerouting. There will be a couple of traffic rerouting for everybody here in the Subic Bay Freeport. The public is advised that due to the ongoing road rehabilitation works along Samson Road po ito ha, may rehabilitation works na ginaganap. Traffic management plan is being implemented. Okay? So, meron tayong one-way traffic, which is sa Bonifacio Street, two-way traffic sa Samson Road, and totally road closure, part of Samson Road. Okay? Hindi naman buo. Alright? Tapos, for the detailed plan of the traffic route, you may visit the official SBMA pages. We have the Subic Bay Freeport Zone page, the fantastic Subic Bay page, that's SBMA Tourism's page. Our page also, 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. The detailed plan map is there for you, okay? And also, in addition, also traffic advisory in celebration of PH Pride with Purpose, or PH Ride, PH Ride with Purpose by Harley Owners Group Manila Chapter, or HOG Manila Chapter. Their event will be held June 24 to the June 25th, 2023, Saturday 7 a.m. to Sunday 2 p.m. There will be a couple of road closures and rerouting. Okay, it will be happening at the Boardwalk Event Center. All right, full road closure at the Waterfront Road portion of Boardwalk Event Center to Corner Rojas Street. Okay, and one-lane road closure along Rojas Street and Espiritu Street. This will be from, again, June 24 to the 25th. So don't be surprised if there's going to be a couple of, road closures and rerouting in the full road closures as well. Okay, at the Boardwalk Area Event Center especially. Diyan po yung paggaganapan kasi sa ating Boardwalk Event Center of the Harley Owners Group Manila Chapter. PH Ride with Purpose. Okay? And for everyone's safety and security, bikers will be prioritized during the race, and vehicles will be advised to slow down and give way to the participants. All right? So that's the back-to-back traffic advisory for you guys here at the Subic Bay Freeport Zone. Here's our next requested song, music coming from the youth. This one's called Multo sa Paningin, 895 Subic Bay Radio Request.